Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today we are going to solve simple probability problem. Why probability problem? How it is related to genetics and biology. All modern biology is computational biology and based on the probabilities calculations, and artificial intelligence also based on the probabilities. So it's good to know how probability works and refresh your knowledge. So here is a problem. There are 18 girls and 12 boys in a class. 2/9 of the girls and quarter of the boys walk to the school. One of the students who walks to the school is chosen at random. Find the probability that the student is a boy. And here is the variance to choose from. So let's analyze our problem. So out of 18 girls, 2/9 walk to the school. So out of 18 girls, 2/9 walk to the school. This gives us 4 girls who walk to the school. And out of 12 boys, 1/4 walk to the school. So out of 12 boys, 1/4 walks to the school. This gives us 3 boys. So now we know that 4 girls plus 3 boys walk to the school. And this gives us 7 people. And out of these 7 people, 3 are going to be boys. So if we want to choose a random person, and the probability that this is going to be a boy is going to be 3 out of 7. And probability that this is going to be a girl is going to be 4 out of 7. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.